Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. Today we will do some comprehension. Let's start. Shelly the snail. Shelly is a little snail. Shelly is called Shelly because her home is a shell. Shelly slides very slowly along the ground. One day she slid a long way, about 100 meters. She got so tired that she had to have a long sleep. Shelly slept for 10 hours. She dreamed she wasn't little anymore. She was huge. After reading these sentences, you will answer some questions. Question number 1. Shelly's home is a shell. Question number 2. She slides along the ground. Question number 3. When Shelly got tired, she had a long sleep. Question number 4. For how many hours did Shelly sleep? 100 hours. Question number 5. Write a sentence to say how Shelly looks in her dream. She looks huge. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe and like. Bye.